Yo, what's going on, people? So, if you've been on the internet recently, make money online is the most explosive topic. It's the most popular thing that I have ever seen on the internet. That's because everybody wants to do it. Everybody wants to earn money online. Everyone wants to be able to travel. Everyone wants to be their own boss. And the internet, it's just birthed the ability to do that in so many ways. It's quite unbelievable. But there's a common thing that stops people, right? And that is choosing something. The problem is when you go abroad and start searching how to make money online, somebody's telling you a TikTok shop, somebody's telling you drop shipping, somebody's telling you crypto, someone's telling you content creation, someone's telling you online sales, someone's telling you fitness trainer. There's all these different things to go down, and unless you get a solid idea of what you should choose, you just get sidetracked. And that's the thing, we're living in a time now where information is unlimited. Like, you cannot even possibly begin to digest 1% of the entire internet's content. So it's like information overload. We're living in wild, wild west social media. So the best thing that you can do to start making money online this year, it's not searching complex Facebook ad setups. It's not searching advanced conversion rate optimization techniques. It's not searching how to do YouTube video SEO. It's just picking something and starting it. You've got to pick a niche and stick with it. That's the thing. Every single thing that you choose, you're going to have friction doing it. It's going to be difficult. You're going to have times where you're thinking, have I picked the right thing? Can I do this? The fact is, anything you choose, you can make money at. Anything. But it's about taking yourself from beginner to advanced enough to actually start making money online. And once you've picked something, you can sort of put the blinders on to then start niching down on what you should choose and then start building on that skill. So the point of this video is just pick something. Pick something you're actually interested in. You know, if you don't want to be sat reading charts all day and you don't really understand crypto, you can choose crypto, but if you're just starting out and you've got no budget, it's not going to be the best choice. Whereas if you're into fitness and your full personality is around fitness, then it makes sense for you to choose something to do with fitness and build content around that. And once you pick one thing, you can start downloading information just about that topic and you're not getting sidetracked as much. But then there's the next level of distraction, which is picking your niche and then being pulled to different things within that niche. And yeah, I understand you've got to explore all options, 100%, but decision fatigue is going to be the thing that stops you the most out of everything. So if there's one thing you want to do to get started making money online, forget the advanced tutorials, the courses, just pick something and start doing it. And that will compound and birth into things that you couldn't believe. You can really take $200 and turn it into $1 million online. I'm not saying from one investment. I'm really not saying from one investment. But if you're smart and you hustle and you use the tools that are available to you on this device, iPhone, it's really unlimited. And we're really blessed with having this. And we're sort of in that age now where it's materialized into being so easily used. All these guys you're watching online who are killing it, you can be doing that too. So bear that in mind, pick a niche and just get started. Nobody gives a fuck just don't give a fuck what anyone thinks. Like, if you want to start doing YouTube and you care what people think, you're probably going to get about 7 views when you're starting anyway. And those friends that you're worried about are going to have an opinion about you. They're not even going to watch your videos. So yeah, just pick something and get started. That is the key. And think about it.